I wanted to quickly talk about my favorite deep and dark fragrances from my collection for fall. Starting off, one of the probably more well-known ones. I've had this for a few years. I've sampled it a few times. I've also had what I would say is like the brother scent to the sister scent. Ambre Precieux. I don't know if I'm saying this right. Maitre Parfumeur et Gantier. It's balmy, vanillic, ambery, very deep, lasts a long time in comparison to this one, which I just finished in the older style bottle, which was a lot more masculine. I believe this one had geranium. The notes for this one are myrrh, lavender, vanilla, nutmeg, amber, toad balsam, and Peru balsam. And it's just a really well blended fragrance that I enjoy year round. I just use like one spray, but it's perfect for fall because it reminds me of brown leaves and the crunchiness and just how the weather feels different. The world feels different in the fall. It's my favorite time of the year. The color of the liquid also shows that I feel. Both of these are winners. It's very long lasting and a nice sillage. Another probably pretty well known one, Tihota. Tihota is simple. It's vanilla and musk, but it is one of the best vanillas. I do like vanilla a lot, but I'm specific about the vanilla that I do like, and Tihota is definitely one of them. After trying so many, especially something heavy. This is a little heavy in the warmer months. One spray might even be overwhelming depending on where you live. But the type of vanilla in here is like a vanilla bean. It's not like ice cream. It's very unisex. All of my fragrances today are pretty unisexy, gender neutral. This is one of my more challenging fragrances. I really had to challenge myself, and I have to be in the mood for this one, but I still have obviously put in a very nice scent. Aziyade by Parfum the Empire. It has a lot of notes. It's plum, dates, pomegranates, orange, almond, caraway, cinnamon, cardamom, ginger, incense, tobacco, French labdanum, vanilla, patchouli, and musk. It's based on a book about a girl that lived in a harem. It's taking you to another place. It's taking you to another country. It reminds me of India. I've never been to India, but I feel like if I went to the spice market and I'm smelling the incense and I'm seeing all the pretty saris and colors, this is that for me. Even maybe a little bit Africa. It reminds me of, I believe it was called Elephant. The spicy scent. There is also one by Bertrand Duchesneau. It kind of smells like Coca-Cola. It smells like this a little bit as well, but this one is the best. Wazamba as well is in the same family. This is definitely for fall. Loree Rodkin Gothic 1 or Gothic I. I have also had Gothic 2. This one is vanilla pod, Madagascar vanilla, Indian patchouli, and spices. It's an incense shop. It's hippie-ish. It's gothic. It smells really, really good. It reminds me of going to the head shops in Colorado Springs, visiting the mountains, and what the incense smelled like. Just the overall smell of that shop. So it takes me back to a memorable time in childhood, in my life, in my teenage years. This is my second bottle. This is the first bottle I have officially repurchased. And again, I do have the other one as well. The only difference is that one has a champa note, but this one smells like it does as well. Apparently, it's a possibility that it also, as far as the spices, it's like a clove, frangipani, which makes sense. Last but definitely not least is Close Up by Olfactive Studio, which this line is based on photography, which is super cool. Very pretty bottle. This lasts forever. I actually use it. You barely can tell. It's cherry, spices, green coffee, I believe, white tobacco, patchouli, atlas cedar, rose, tonka bean, amber musk. I feel like this would smell really good on a man, even though I honestly really like it as well. Again, all of these are very unisexy. I don't like coffee, but I do like coffee often in fragrances. So it's a rich, deep cherry. It doesn't smell like Comandante, which is a tobacco cherry fragrance that I really like. That one's more fresh and I feel going to the office. This one is darker. This is nighttime of that. But again, well blended. I can't smell the rose. I mostly get the cherry, the tobacco, the spices, and coffee a little bit, but not in any sort of loud way. Yeah, these are just a few that are in my collection as far as eau de parfums. I do have some really good, perfect fragrance oils. On my small collection, these are all well loved, and I look forward to really getting a nice dent in them for the fall autumn season.